Everybody, I just want to say it's the end of the year, so happy new year, and I hope you guys all had an amazing year. And this is the last day for my cute little hut until April, because the winters are just too hard here to have this little guy open. I love this shop. It is so small and so quirky, and I'm very grateful for everyone that came to visit this year. So if you did come down to Albert County, as it's known here, or down the 114 or the Fundy Trail here in New Brunswick, I hope you guys had a fantastic summer, and I hope you guys had tons of adventures. And one thing that this province does not do for itself is promote itself well, because honestly, until I moved here, I didn't know how fantastic it was either. So I hope if you have not come down here, to come down here, not only check out my shop and the other amazing artisans in our cute little artisan village, but to check out the amazing stuff down here. You got Hopewell Rocks 12 minutes down the road. You got Fundy National Park 40 minutes down the road, and amazing stuff in between. You got lighthouses and beaches and tons of historical stuff. It's absolutely incredible. So to everybody that came, thank you. To all my regular customers, love you guys. You guys all know where I am as well, so you guys know that you can get a hold of me. Online is always open on my website, victorystitches.com, and you can also do virtual shopping as well. Just give me a shout and we just do it through whatever app you prefer. So until next year, which is tomorrow, I will say goodbye from the hut. But I'll probably be doing some other like videos and tutorials and stuff on my YouTube channel, which is YouTube at SoFundy. And yeah, so see you soon. Keep creating and have a fantastic night tonight, and have a great New Year's.